Hello everyone, this is Sandy and welcome to my channel Sandy Tech. So today we will see how to write index match function together to retrieve the relatable data for our lookup value. So what is index and match function? So what is index first? We'll see that. So index, it returns a value or a reference of the cell within a given array and range. That means in an array, if you give row number and column number, then it will address that location into that range or array, and it will return that cell value of that addressed cell. So now we'll see match function. So match function, what is match function? It searches for a specified item in a range of cells and returns the relative position of that item in the range. That means it will ask you to give a lookup value, and it will find that lookup value in that another given range, and it will find that position of that lookup value, and it will return that position number. So this is the definition of index match, and we'll see that how to write a formula together. So here we have a small exercise for that. We have a two data set. One is a employee details, one is a country details. So here we have requirement in column D. So we have to get the country by city from the table array country and city, which we have from G1 to H9. So what we will do, we'll first write equal to index. First we'll write index. So you can see there is a two different arguments for that. We'll follow the first one, array row number and column number. So array, it is asking array. So what is our array here? Array is from where do you want to see that your result array, your result table set. So our result set is G1 to H9. This is our result array from where we are looking the lookup value, comma, row number. We don't know the row number, like where it is located. So what we'll do, we'll find by match function what is the row for that index. So we'll write match. So in match we have a multiple arguments. First is lookup value, lookup array, and match type. Match type is like exact match or approximate. So these two options they will give you. So lookup value is Birmingham city. In C2 we have stored. So we'll take C2, comma. Lookup array is again a city. So we are looking where it is located. So it is located in G1 to H9 table array, and we'll take the only city column because we are looking only city here. So we'll take the range of the city, comma. We are going for exact match, then we'll close it. Now this match will return the row number for that index. What it will do, it will take this C2 value from here, and it will go to this range G1 to G9, and it will search where it is located. Okay, so we'll write match, comma, G1 to G9 will select 0, will close. Now it will return that row number. Okay, now column number. So what do we want to return if it matches? Suppose this city we are looking into this another city, and it is finding that row number for that city. So where it is located here. Now we will find the column number. So once we find this, which column you want to retain that? So we will retain country column. So which is the second index of this table array, which is G1 to H9. So what we will do, we'll write again match function to find the column number. So here our lookup value is a country, and our lookup range is city and country to find the column index and 0. So here you can see we have written a match function to get a row number, and we have written another match function to retain the column number, and together it is providing row number and column number, and index is addressing that row number and column number and getting that cell value. So we can see that in the evaluate formula also. So now you can drag it down to see whether it is working or not. So first we'll see the evaluate formula for this, how it is evaluating step by step. So the first step you can see it is giving the table array position, which is G1 to H9, and again match function it is finding the match value. It is finding the row number is 2 and column number is 2. So now you can see in this table, okay, here you can see row number is 2, column number is 2. Why it is giving, you can see manually. I will tell you how it is evaluating. So it is taking this city, okay, Birmingham city, it is taking from C2, and it is searching from this column G1 to G9, okay. So it is going there and searching. Now it searches the position in G2, so that's why it is provided their value is 2. Now if this city is in second row, okay, then find the country column. So country column is in H, which is the second column index for this table array. So it is returning the 2 for column, and it becomes result is United Kingdom, because equal to index, this is your table array, comma 2 is your row, comma 2 is your column number, it is returning United Kingdom. So this thing it is providing. Now I want to drag this same formula for the other city as well to get the country. So we'll do control D, we'll drag it down. Now you can see it is not giving that to the last 4 cities, but formula is same. Why it is not giving the value? Because we have not locked our table array. If you are not locking your table array, you can see your table array will get increased once you drag it down. So now you can see it is finding from G9 to G17, and there is a no value. That's why it is finding a hash and a result here, because it is not finding anything here related to this Birmingham city. Okay, same thing for match it is doing. It is going G9 to H9. Okay, so range is increasing. So we have to fix our table arrays range. Okay, after completing the first formula, what you do, you go here and you lock the cell. So we'll lock our table array. Okay, by pressing F4 you can lock it, or you can manually put dollar symbol. So now you can drag it. So now you can see it has given error because we have not locked D1, because this is also constant, our country, our column index. When you are writing match function to get the column index, you need to fix that lookup value, because column index is not going to change that. Okay, when you are finding out the row index, then you need to let it be. You don't need to lock it, you left it unlocked. So now you can see it is working for the other cell as well. Okay, now if you want to add another row, suppose I want to add a employee from Mumbai. Mumbai, it will automatically retain your the country. Suppose here we give Bangalore, it will not retain the value, the country, it will not retain, because in our table array we don't have city and city Bangalore, so that's why it is not finding the country. So in that case, in the interview or in our company also, our customer will ask you to specify some text if we don't get any value while calculating the formula. So here someone wants to uh, give value as country not available. Okay, so how to do that, how to incorporate the if error concept into this formula? So what we will do, we'll go to the first row, because we are dragging formula from the first row to last row. So we'll incorporate if error. So if this calculation is not finding the result, then specify the result. So we can fix our if error result as country not found or country not available, so that uh, data team can go through and add the city and country for Bangalore, and we can see the result here. So this is how they analyze and track their data. Okay, so now you will drag it down till the last row, control D, and you can see here. Okay, you can see we have specified the if error text. So friends, this is a very important function and very powerful function, and this is better than a VLOOKUP. Okay, because it can work uh, right to left and left to right. Suppose this city is stored after the country column, then also this function will work, but VLOOKUP will not work from right to left. So index match is always better than VLOOKUP, and this is very important question in the interview. So definitely, if you are going for Excel interview, interviewer will ask this question. So please watch and follow the concept carefully. Okay,